What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. So today we are at Reggae on Wheels, one of the best food trucks here in Winter Haven, Florida. I heard they got the best jerk chicken, the best jerk pork. So I'm here to find out if that's true or not, all right? So we're gonna order that real quick, and then I'm gonna do a quick taste test and let y'all know what they're working with. Let's go. So this is the menu right here, guys. They have oxtail, curry goat, jerk pork, curry shrimp, a whole bunch of different things. And today I'm gonna try the half pound of jerk pork, half pound of jerk chicken. I'm not in the mood for any rice right now, so I'm just gonna try that and let y'all know. So Reggae on Wheels, they are located on the corner of Dundee Road and Carl Floyd Road, all right? Here in Winter Haven. If you're in Polk County, come check them out, all right? You'll definitely love it. It's a nice little setup. You know, they have chair, tables, and all that good stuff for you guys. All right, guys, so this is the jerk chicken. This is the jerk right here. This is half pound of jerk chicken. And they include the sauces, 3 ramekins of jerk sauce. We have the jerk pork right here. And they also included the jerk sauce with it, all right? So let's take a bite without the sauce, and then we'll try it with the sauce and let you all know the difference, all right? So this is it. Wow. The flavor is on point. I love it. You're tasting, I'm gonna tell y'all in a second. I'm not even gonna give you all the results yet. Let me take some more bites. Wow. This is good, guys. This is good. And I didn't even add the sauce to it yet. Let's take a bite of the pork. This is the jerk pork without the sauce. This is pretty good. And guess what? It's not chewy. It's soft. Nice and soft. Try it. I'm gonna let Deandra try it.
A kick to it too.
Yeah? Yeah, so it definitely has a kick to it without the sauce. Whatever seasoning they added to it, you know, it's a little bit over the mild side. It's not too spicy, just right. This is how jerk chicken is supposed to taste, you know? So now we're gonna add the sauce to it and let y'all know the difference. And then I'm gonna give y'all a score at the end of the video. Yeah, man, so we're gonna add some of that jerk sauce on top of the chicken. And we're gonna add some on the pork as well. Add a nice little moisture to it, you know? All right, now. So let's take another bite with the sauce. Wow. The sauce is not too spicy. It's just right. There's a little sweetness to it, you know? And I can't figure out what it is, but this sauce is very unique. This is good, guys. Very soft, not mushy, perfect texture, you know? And this was done on a grill smoker. So you're getting the real deal, the real Jamaican authentic jerk chicken when you come here at Reggae on Wheels food truck. All right? So you're not gonna get any watered down type of jerk chicken or food. You're getting good stuff. Let's take another bite and then we'll move on to the jerk pork. Jerk pork. This is nice. So, this is my ginger juice, ginger beer. And it's natural. This is some good stuff, guys. Yes, so let me tell y'all guys, the portion size that they serve is perfect. You know, perfect, just right. You know, you can't ask for much more. It's more than enough. You're gonna love it. You know, so definitely come check them out. The flavor is like out of this world. 10 out of 10 for the flavor. The flavor is amazing, guys. Definitely come check them out. I'm definitely coming back sometime next week or the week after, but this is gonna be at least a twice a month thing for me where I come check it out and eat some real Jamaican jerk chicken and jerk pork. You understand? The jerk pork, I'll say about a 8 out of 10 for the jerk pork, because for me, I think they should add a little bit more browning, a little bit more seasoning. But besides that, it's really good, guys, really good. Chicken, 10 out of 10. The pork, 8 out of 10. You know, overall, everything is good. Customer service, you know, they are very friendly people, guys. So you'll definitely love it. You won't be disappointed. Come check them out. Tell them Keegan sent you. Until next time, big up yourself. Peace. One love.